So we're going to move on to the next pitch in this session. Philip Nyssen is going to stand in for Ben Gunness from Vero Laser, who will be pitching about laser cleaning technologies. So Philip, can you get here as quickly as a laser could? That's the question. Oh, look at that. You actually can. That's fantastic. You've transmitted yourself to the stage, and please take it away.
Okay, great to meet everyone. So as you Phil Nyssen from Vero Laser, and we're bringing you easier, safer and smarter laser cleaning technologies. Next slide. So our specialization is to focus on technologies that help you maintain your high value aging assets. In particular, to remove corrosion, coatings, and contamination from your infrastructure. In the water industry, we've been focusing on treatment plants, pipelines, heat exchangers. Next slide. Oops, I think we've jumped a couple there. No. All right, okay. So focus is on surface cleaning comparison. So this productivity comparison chart for a 500 watt laser shows that one of the key benefits of laser is that there's no need to bring abrasives or chemicals in, and therefore no cost. There's no downtime associated with the cleaning up and disposal that you will find with most other cleaning methods. And very important for many of our projects, no environmental or water contamination. So you'll see there with laser cleaning, on a square metre per basis per hour with 500 watt, it's highly competitive, if not exceeds the net time it takes for many other cleaning methods, making it affordable, efficient and sustainable. Next slide. So how does it work? What laser is, and the ones we use, could you go back please? How does it work? Is that it brings an infrared light, and at nanosecond speeds, it very quickly excites the substrate surface and causes the coatings to separate. But not only does it separate, it creates this microplasma, which starts the oxidization process of that coating or that contamination. So not only are you cleaning without damaging the surface, you start to remove the toxicity of a lot of substances, lead-based paint included. Next slide. So a great example is rust removal. You'll see that with the surface cleaning in that photo just there, that's a flange with all these micro impressions on the actual flange. A great part of the laser is that it will clean that surface without damaging those impressions on the flange. The diagram shows you that what we'll do is the rate at which you are cleaned depends on the power of the laser. And that's one of the key things. Lasers have been around for quite a few years now, but what you're seeing is this exponential increase in the power and the mobility of the lasers. And you can select the cleaning rate you require depending on the power of the laser you have and the quality or the significance of the rust in this particular case or coating. Next. So really another useful example in the water industry is the cleaning of heat exchanger plates and plants. This is a key area of energy efficiency. Through cleaning those plates, through using the laser, significantly improves the efficiency of heat exchangers, but it does it in a way that you're protecting the well-being of your operator, reducing not just the maintenance costs, but the operational costs, and creating doing it in a way without contact, which is particularly relevant now. But in some of these cases, we can bring automated technology so we can create a controllable process to clean your assets. Next, please. So we see ourselves as an industry leader, not just because of our focus on the contract services that we bring, because of some of the things we're doing. We've partnered up with the Australian Corrosion Association, where what we're doing is working with them to create training content and a laser certification program to start help raising the standards in the industry. We're also been partnering up with quality maintenance and quality assurance providers like True QC. Once you've cleaned an asset, it's key that often that you need to do recoat it. And laser prepares the surface in such a way to increase the integrity of the coating and the bonding, hence our partnerships with Jota and Adcrete. but more importantly, our customers, Transurban, J-Steel, UGL and SRG. We've been working on dams, bridges, tunnels, and in mining areas. And also more recently with Brisbane Airport, helping them with their approachway bridge in Moreton Bay and removing the rust from that. But finally, in the groups in terms of R&D, when we have unique problems to solve, we've been partnering up with ANU and QUT on the research and the analysis so that you get the best possible outcome. So what we're looking to do really, and use this forum, is to discuss with you your assets and the projects, the maintenance projects, or in fact even the production processes that you're currently performing, and look at laser not just as a replacement technology, but something that can help you dramatically change the way you do things to increase the reliability of your process and the quality outcome. But more importantly, also, we're all pivoting in these COVID times and we're looking at partnerships as well. We know laser is a structural change in the industry, gives us the opportunity to do things significantly different. And we'd love to meet with you and your business and talk about how we could partner with you and help you to grow your business as well. Thank you.
Okay, thank you very much, Phil.